Hey everyone, this is your extension artist Gilly, and in this video we'll be going over how to properly wash your new luxury extensions. So let's begin. So first, what you want to do is you want to section out your rows depending on how many rows you have, and then you want to start brushing from the bottom up, detangling your hair. As you come closer to the top of your hair, you want to start holding the top of your weft so that way you can brush all the way from the top to your bottom of your hair to detangle your extensions. So when you shampoo your hair, you obviously want to start from your roots, and then you want to work your way down. When washing in between your rows, don't be afraid to get in there. Some of the common mistakes people make is not going in between the rows, but that's basically where you get most of your product built up, especially if you haven't washed your hair in a week. If you have trouble washing in between your rows, what you can do is basically flip your rows one by one over, and then you can get in between your rows that way. When applying conditioner, be sure to just apply it from your mid to your ends for your extensions, so that way you're not getting conditioner on the top of your wefts. After you're done washing your hair, when you come out of the shower, you're basically going to add all of the products, your oil, your detanglers and everything, and then same thing as your pre-wash, you're going to start from the bottom up, detangling each row of your extensions. So if you decide that you want to air dry your hair, make sure you at least air dry the top of your weft. This is helpful so that your wefts does not get swollen up on top and it doesn't deteriorate as time goes by for you. And the longevity of your wefts will last longer.